Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm Naila Auril Hafsah. My NPM is 0923014001. I'm here to present three-stage fishbowl discussion. So, stay tuned. So, what is three-stage fishbowl discussion? It is a structured group discussion method. Participants alternate between speaking or inner circle and observing or outer circle, encourage active participation, diverse perspective, and deep understanding, ideal for complex or controversial topics. So let's move to the next slide. There is inner circle discussion. It is a small group around 4 to 6 people actively discusses the topic. Chairs arranged in a circle or semicircle. Participants share ideas, build on others' point, and debate respectfully. Facilitator guides and keeps discussion on track. For the tip is use open-ended question to stimulate thinking. What is outer circle observation? It is remaining participant from outer circle around inner circle. Listen attentively without interrupting. Take notes on key points, question, and different perspective, and prepare to contribute during rotation or debrief. For the tip is encourage active listening and reflection. For the rotation and interaction, outer circle members join inner circle by taking empty chairs or replacing speakers. There are new voices, bring fresh perspective and also questions. Keeps discussion dynamic and inclusive. And after rotation, whole group reflects and debriefs. The visual is a row showing participants moving between the circles. There are some benefits. Three-stage fishbowl discussion. The first one is promotes balanced speaking and listening. The second one is encourage critical thinking and empathy. The third one is gives everyone a chance to participate. The fourth one is builds communication and collaboration skills. The last one is suitable for classrooms, workplace, and community groups and etc. Tips for successful fishbowl discussion. So the first one is set clear rules and objective. Second one is prepare thought-provoking prompts. The third one is manage time carefully for each stage. The fourth one is encourage quieter participants to join in. The fifth one is monitor group dynamics and intervene if needed. The last one is debrief thoroughly to reinforce learning. So this is the example simulation of three-stage fishbowl discussion. Stage 1, inner circle discusses pros and cons, cause learning, family, and impact. Stage 2, outer circle listen and takes notes. Stage 3, outer circle members rotate in and adding new views. So the debrief is whole group reflects on key insight and remaining questions. Adaptation and variation. The first one is adaptation. When your writing is cohesive, it becomes easier for readers to understand your ideas, so they can follow the logical flow of your arguments and make connections between different parts of the text. The second one is variation. Cohesion acts as a guide for readers, leading them from one point to another point smoothly. It provides signposts and markers that help readers navigate through your writing. So this is the classroom simulation step by step. Step 1 is you can set up the classroom around 5 minutes, arrange 4 to 6 chairs in the center for the inner circle. The rest of the students sit around in a larger outer circle. So you explain the rules. Inner circle talks, outer circle listens silently. Rotation will happen after 15 minutes. Step 2. Inner circle discussion. This step is taking around 15 minutes. So the inner circle students start discussing the topic. There are some example prompts like what are the benefits of a 4-day school week, or what challenges might families face, or how could this affect students' learning. The facilitator encourage respectful evidence based on the arguments. Step 3. Outer circle observation. This step taking around 15 minutes. Outer circle students listen carefully and also take some notes. They think about questions or points they want to add when they join the inner circle. Step 4. Rotation. This step taking around 20 minutes. Invite 2 or 3 students from the outer circle to join the inner circle by taking empty chairs or replacing current speakers. The new inner circle members introduce themselves briefly and add some fresh ideas or some questions. The discussions continues with new perspectives. Step 5. Whole class debrief. This step taking around 10 minutes. Bring everyone together and ask, what new insight did you hear, or did your opinion change during the discussion? Or you can use what are the main pros and cons of the 4-day week. Then summarize key points and say thanks to the participants. In conclusion, the 3-stage fishbowl discussion is a dynamic and adaptable active learning strategy that enhances comprehension, problem solving, and communication skills. By structuring group dialogue into distinct stages of focused discussion, attentive observation, and inclusive participation, it fosters meaningful conversation and learning across various educational and professional contexts. Research indicates its effectiveness in improving reading comprehension, mathematical problem-solving abilities, and overall student engagement. Facilitators can maximize its benefits by setting clear objectives, managing time effectively, and creating a safe space for diverse perspectives. I think that's all from me for my presentation about the 3-stage fishbowl discussion. Thank you for attentive listening, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.